Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Ceed 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, let me introduce. This is canvas box and harness. This connector. This will canvas box and this harness come with head unit together. Okay, let me introduce head unit. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check Belsee's manufacturer of Android car head unit, telephone number and email address. You can contact to us. You can choose Belsee. Okay, and you can change the color on sim. Any color you can adjust. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier and Google Maps and Google Play Store and Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and about motion you can check this kernel version, the MCU version, the CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay, let me back home. Firstly, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check device name and the pin number. Let me open the Bluetooth from my phone. Okay, this is my phone. Please enable Bluetooth. Connect the search device. Click pair button. Your phone will get the message. Okay, put the phone number. Put the code 140234. Click OK. We try again. Okay, it shows connected, Bluetooth echo. You can make phone call. Okay, it's work. Let me check the stream music from your phone. Volume from the phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. This is USB driver. to USB cable. Okay, it's play music automatically. This pass sub control. This video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Driving setting, turn on the watch video and play the video game. This 4K video. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.